While choosing minoxidil for hair loss, many questions come to your mind. Which brand is best for you? 5% or 10%? With finasteride or without finasteride? Normal minoxidil or less alcoholic minoxidil? Solution or foam or gel? So many questions come to your mind. In this series of videos, we will talk about basic principles about choosing most perfect minoxidil for you. Hi, I am Dr. Ashok Sinha, hair transplant surgeon and hair expert. First question, which is best minoxidil for you? One of the basic criteria to choose minoxidil is condition of your scalp. If scalp is normal, choose normal minoxidil. Means normal scalp, normal minoxidil like Mintop, Regain, 2Gain, Hair for You, etc. If scalp is dry with or without dandruff, or if scalp is oily, itchy with greasy dandruff and boils, then choose minoxidil with less alcohol like Mintop Yuba or lipid-based minoxidil solution like Minicheck, More or Minotrace. Minotrace is coconut oil-based minoxidil. And if you are looking for best minoxidil of best brand in maximum discount with treatment support, visit www.addonwellness.com. In next video, we will talk about a big confusion, 5% or 10% minoxidil. Stay tuned.